Hello, my dear students of class 7. Today we will read the next text, okay, of our supplementary reader book, and the name of the text is Bringing Up Kari. What do you mean by bringing up? Means पालन पोषण करना, okay, एक छोटे बच्चे का पालन पोषण करके बड़ा करना, okay. So bringing up Kari, and who is Kari? That we will see. Now let's read. Kari, a 5-month-old baby elephant, not a boy or girl, but 5-month-old baby elephant, lives and grows up with his 9-year-old friend and keeper. Means he then lives and grows up with his 9-year-old friend and keeper. Keeper means someone who keeps. Okay. Then Kari doesn't eat much. Just about 16 kilograms of delicious twigs a day. He doesn't eat too much, but 16 kilograms of delicious, it means tasty, pleasant twigs. Twigs means woody, okay, woody south of from a branch, means the upper part of the branches with leaves, right? So that is what twigs a day. Playful and sensitive. Kari saves a boy from drowning. Yes, playful. Very much means you can play with him, and sensitive means he used to respond quickly. And suppose sensible means if you just rebuke, scolds him, he will become sad. Okay, and also used to understand other things. Means the power of his senses rather, are very much fast. Okay, now Kari saves a boy from drowning. A boy was drowning, पानी में डूब रहा था. He saves him. Now, how that we will discover. Kari, the elephant, was 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of. Kari, the elephant, was only 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of. To take care of means to look after him, right? I was 9 years old and I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. I was 9 years old and I could reach his back. I could ride on his back if I stood on tiptoe. Tiptoe means the tip of the toe. What is toe? The fingers of the legs. And the tip means the upper part or just tip. Okay. So when you run on tiptoe. So when he stood on tiptoe, he could reach on his back. Now he seemed to remain that high for nearly 2 years. So he seemed to remain that high, means that height, for nearly 2 years. We grew together. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. We grew together means the elephant was growing up and the narrator was also growing up. That's why they couldn't feel that odd, or the narrator never found out how tall he was. He lived in a pavilion. Pavilion means kind of building, okay? And pavilion under a thatched roof. What is thatched roof? A roof covered with straw or grass or leaves. Thatched roof, which rested on thick tree stumps so that it could not fall in when Kari bumped against the poles as he moved out. And the roof was protected with thick tree stumps. Thick means that is not thin, but it's kind of fat or big. Okay. Tree stumps. Stumps means the lower part of the tree. If you cut down the tree, then the remaining part is known as stumps. So they used to cut that part and used to keep on the roof to protect it from what? So that it could not fall in when curry bumped against the poles. Poles means they are kind of pillars, okay, and curry used to bump, used to hit, used to stuck, used to knock the poles when it moved about. The elephant is moving about, and just he used to touch, he used to knock the poles, and to protect it, they used kind of what? The tree stumps. Okay. One of the first things Curry did was to save the life of a boy. First thing that Curry did was to save the life of a boy. Curry did not eat much, but he nevertheless needed 40 pounds of twigs a day to chew and play with. Curry did not eat too much, but still, nevertheless, still, he needed 40 pounds. 40 pounds of twigs a day. Twigs means that woody part, okay, with leaves, or the uh, the upper part of the branches with leaves. So that he needed to chew, चबाने के लिए and to play with, खेलने के लिए. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. So for bath, the narrator used to take him to the river. He would lie down on the sand. Okay, he would lie down. वो sand के ऊपर सो जाता था. Okay, उसके बाद क्या होता था? Then while I rubbed him with the clean sand on the river for an hour, then the narrator used to rub. Okay, घसीटना, right? So used to rub his skin for an hour. After that, he would lie in the water for a long time. So after that, he would lie down on the water, in the water, in the water of the river for a long time. On coming out, his skin would be shining like ebony. What is ebony? Ebony is a very much it's a good wood, okay, of dark brown color. So like that, and he would squeal with pleasure. Squeal means the noise of the uh, elephant. As I rubbed water down his back, as I rubbed water, means as I rubbed through water down his back. Then I would take him by the ear, catch the ear and take him, because that is the easiest way to lead an elephant. Means to lead an elephant, you have to catch the ear. Okay, but don't try. Okay, if that elephant doesn't know you, then he might kill you. Okay, that's why. And leave him on the edge of the jungle while I went into the forest to get some luscious twigs for his dinner. Okay, so then after leaving him on the edge of the jungle, the narrator used to go to the forest to get some luscious twigs. So it means very tasty twigs for his dinner. One has to have a very sharp hatchet to cut down these twigs. Hatchet means kind of big knife, okay, or axe, okay, to cut the twigs. It takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet, because if a twig is mutilated, an elephant will not touch it. It will be torn. Okay? So it is half an hour to sharpen the hatchet, that axe or that big knife and the thing to cut the twigs. Then the narrator had to sharp that thing to cut the twigs, because if you tear any leaves, then the elephant will not touch that. It was not an easy job to get twigs and saplings for curry. Twigs and saplings, saplings means छोटा छोटा पेड़ पौधा, okay, छोटा एकदम small trees, and twigs means the upper part of the branch with leaves. So it was not an easy. I had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs. The narrator had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate, tasty, and tender, soft twigs. As he was very fond of the young branches of banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches, and he was very fond of. Means his favorite was the young branches of the banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral, means church of leaves. Means that is kind of very much full of leaves, right? And branches. I was gathering some one spring day in March. He was gathering some leaves one spring day in March, when I suddenly heard Curry calling to me in the distance. Calling to me from distance. As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. And as he very much young, so the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. Baby means baby, not like elephant, like a baby. Okay, I thought somebody was hurting him, so I come down from my tree and ran very fast to the edge of the forest. So I thought someone attacked him, so the narrator ran very fast to the edge of the forest where I had left him, but he was not there, not there. I looked all around, all over, but I couldn't find him. Find him. That's all for today. We will continue. Thank you.